Although the Orthodox churches reject Rome's primacy over all Christian peoples, they nonetheless practice similar sacramental forms and distribute the same 7 sacraments. In addition to valid baptism, unlike a Lutheran or an Anglican, an Orthodox priest is a true priest who participates in a weakened but real line of succession that goes back to the apostles. Thus, Orthodox priests and bishops can distribute their sacraments validly, but not licitly, which means their sacraments have real effect but are not formally approved by Rome. If this is the case, could an Orthodox layperson attend a Catholic Mass? As the Code of Canon Law notes, Catholic ministers administer the sacraments of penance, Eucharist, and anointing of the sick licitly to members of Eastern churches which do not have full communion with the Catholic Church, if they seek such on their own accord and are properly disposed. Thus it is clear that if an Orthodox person desired it, the Church is open to this partial ecclesial communion. Furthermore, the Church permits Catholics in turn to appear at Orthodox services and participate in their sacraments so long as necessity requires it, or true spiritual advantage suggests it, and provided that danger or error of indifferentism is avoided, and so long as reception from a Catholic minister is impossible. The use of Orthodox priests to meet spiritual needs must be a response of necessity rather than preference. Special circumstances can also permit the extension of this communion, such as when an Orthodox man invites a Catholic to serve as his best man at a wedding, in which case the Church permits either party to serve in that role. Because attending religious rites of another faith can be a visible sign of unity, Christians must always be careful to avoid any sign of scandal, and for that reason, as well as their own spiritual well-being, attending Mass at an Orthodox parish could never be the norm for a Catholic, who should be united to the full, visible communion of the Church, expressed in the popes, bishops, and the diocesan life. Thus a Catholic could not attend an Orthodox service as their ordinary Sunday Mass, though they are always permitted to attend Mass at common Catholic services that are united to Rome, but differ in liturgical expression, such as a Mass celebrated according to a Melkite or Ukrainian Catholic rite, which satisfies the obligation for Sunday Mass according to the Code of Canon Law No. 1248.